Hello friends, how you all doing? Today's video is about pumpkin against the gas torch. Okay, let's get right into it. That's how you carve the pumpkin the Russian way. Let's see what is in there. Oh wow, it's still fresh. Hot but fresh. I think this pumpkin needs more fire. Let's do it from the other side. Alright, let's check it out. Still fresh. This pumpkin is indestructible. I'm gonna cut it in half. So much smoke. This is how it looks burned. All yucky. And this half is not burned. This one will go as food for deers. Alright, that's pretty much it. That's how you carve the pumpkin the Russian way. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.